If you're planning to move apartments in Syracuse, the right mover can make all the difference. Today we'll walk through typical costs, what affects your move, and how to select the right team for a smooth relocation. For apartment moves in Syracuse, reports indicate typical pricing for a 1 to 2 bedroom unit ranges between roughly $380 and $900, depending on access, timing, and services. Most of these moves complete in around 4 to 7 hours. Three major factors drive cost: stairs and walk-ups. Carrying items up several flights adds time and labor. Elevator access. If the building has no elevator or it's restricted, that raises cost. Parking/truck access. Longer carries from truck to unit or tricky parking increases labor time. Beyond basic loading and unloading, your service level can include professional packing or materials provided, disassembly and reassembly of bulky furniture, scheduling on weekends or with short notice. Both usually cost more. To keep your move efficient, label each box by room so movers place things correctly. Remove items you intend to leave behind. Less volume means lower cost. Check with your building on elevator reservation, truck parking, and any fees ahead of time. Selecting a reputable mover means you get licensed, insured professionals who understand Syracuse apartments with transparent pricing, verified reviews, and careful service. With an apartment move in Syracuse, the right team saves time, headache, and potential damage. Thanks for watching. If you're moving an apartment in Syracuse, use the info here to plan smart, ask the right questions, and choose your mover thoughtfully. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell for more moving tips and Syracuse-focused guides.